On June 30th, the founder of Instagram announced that Instagram is no longer just a photo sharing app. Now, when I heard that news, I got excited, but for many of you who watch my YouTube channel, you freaked out because video is not your thing. In this video, I am going to give you guys some tips to help you become better at Instagram Reels. Without further ado, let's hop in. Sharing your wins on your Instagram account, if it is related to your niche, is going to be a strategy to not only help you attract new followers, but convert your followers into sales. With Instagram Reels, there are ways that you can generate content that will get you the views, but it won't grow your bank account unless it's related to what you do. So what I like to do is talk about YouTube passive income. That has been very relatable on my account, and it has gotten people on my email list and converted them into customers. So I share my wins with YouTube in my Instagram Reels, and I choose music for my Reels based on what is currently trending. The way that music works for Instagram Reels is it functions like a folder, similar to a hashtag. And when you select a music clip from the Instagram library, it archives your content under that music clip. So it makes it easier for your reel to get discovered by other people, and it will perform better in the algorithm. So if that's something that you're interested in, if visibility is important to you, then grab the music from Instagram rather than bringing it in from someone else. Now, the other thing you want to do is make sure that you ask a question in your reel, because it will prompt engagement in the comments, and that will help your reel to perform better. Use Reels as the intro and continue the conversation with a mini blog post style caption. Remind people to read it. So there is only so much time in an Instagram Reel for you to have a conversation with your audience. Recently, Instagram did expand to 60 seconds. So before you could only do 15 and 30-second clips, now you can do 60. However, 60 seconds is still a short amount of time. So you want to use your reel as an intro for the topic, and make sure that you put an extensive caption on your reel to spark more conversation. Now, some people do not read the caption, so in the reel itself, remind them to read the caption so that they can take advantage of that knowledge that you've put out there for free. Use multiple clips to make it more interesting. Now, it's completely fine for you to set up your camera and just let it roll. But if you stitch together multiple clips to create your reel, it's going to be more engaging for your audience. A more engaging video is going to perform better in the algorithm, and it is way more likely to be shared. So what I recommend is filming the reel in its entirety multiple times, and then make quick cuts as you edit the reel. So this is a technique that I used for a recent reel where I was performing with a dear friend of mine. We did a very comical, car karaoke reel, and I filmed the entire thing by myself reacting to her. Then she filmed the entire thing reacting to me, and we edited the two clips together. And so that is how we got the timing just right, and it only took us a matter of 10 minutes in a parking lot. Use props or change your outfit. If you're going to do it, don't forget your tripod. One of the trends that is taking Instagram by storm is incorporating transitions into your reels. Now, in order to do this well, you need a tripod for your cell phone, and I'm going to link my tripod in the description below. If your phone does not move, you can film the clip, pause it, go change, stand in the exact same spot, and you'll be able to edit those clips together. If you try to handhold it or prop it up on something else, it won't come across like a clean transition. So that's really what people are doing behind the scenes. It goes a long way, and the one that I purchased was very inexpensive. So if you want to use transitions in your reel, make sure that you use a tripod. Experiment with the video speed. Either do slow motion or a time lapse to tell a story based on the music. Within the Instagram Reel editor, you can change the recording speed. This is a great way for you to slow down the speed of the music so that your lip syncing is more accurate, but it also can be a stylistic choice just to do something new on your reels. So another option you have is simply just change the speed at which the video plays. You can do slow-mo, you can speed it up. So try that out to experiment with your video style to bring something new to your account. Now, first and foremost, I want you to go to Instagram and follow me at LaShonda M. Brown. I'll also link it in the description. What you're also going to find within my feed itself are carousel posts with information that will help you on Instagram. I've got stuff about growing organically on Instagram, and my favorite post is 52 Reels ideas. So this is enough information to help you to generate an Instagram Reel for your business once a week. So if you really struggle with coming up with ideas for your content, you'll want to scroll down on my feed and save this post into your Save Post file. I hope you found this video useful. Remember, you don't have to dance to create a reel on Instagram. In a recent video, I walked you through step by step how to make a reel in Canva. So if you want to get started with video creation, that might be the place to go. Otherwise, leverage these tips, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and remember, don't take yourself too seriously. Some reels perform well, others don't. Just keep creating. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and until next time, ta-ta for now.